If you are paying full price for Netflix or YouTube Premium, you are wasting money. In 2025, there's a way to access the exact same premium features, like 4K Ultra HD, ad-free YouTube, background play, and offline downloads, at up to 75% less. Today, I'm showing you how to unlock the cheapest Netflix and YouTube Premium using a safe and popular platform called GamesGo. This video includes an exclusive discount, so use my promo code, ZASK. Stick around, your bank account will thank you. So what exactly is GamesGo? It's an online platform where you can buy shared premium seats from major streaming services. This means you get official premium features, but at a shared price, instead of paying the full subscription alone. GamesGo offers access to Netflix Premium, YouTube Premium, Spotify, Disney Plus, and more. Thousands of users already rely on GamesGo to dramatically cut their streaming costs, enjoying the same quality for less. Why is GamesGo so much cheaper? Instead of paying $18, $20, or $25 per month individually, you only pay for your seat inside a premium plan. It's the same streaming quality, features, and content. The only difference is the price. For Netflix Premium, you can save 50% to 70% every month. For YouTube Premium, you can save up to 75% yearly. And with my code ZASK, the savings get even better. GamesGo is operated by GamesGo Limited, registered in London, UK, with copyright dated 2024. They emphasize legality, stating registered trademarks belong to their owners, ensuring a legitimate service. They offer 24/7 customer support with a 12-hour response time, and comprehensive policies including T&C, privacy policy, refund policy, AML policy, and DMCA compliance, ensuring user confidence. Here's exactly how to sign up in less than 1 minute. Step 1. Click my referral link in the description, gamesgo.com/?ref=sign-in-L. This link is crucial for accessing the best deals. Step 2. Choose the service you want, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, or another premium offering. Step 3. At checkout, enter the promo code, ZAS, to apply your exclusive discount. Step 4. Pay securely and get instant access to your premium account. The entire process is designed to be quick and hassle-free, getting you streaming faster. Now let's talk about what you actually get. With Netflix Premium, 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and downloads, you'll experience content in the highest possible quality, just like an official subscription. Netflix 4K plans officially support 4 simultaneous streams, and GamesGo allocates shared seats accordingly, ensuring you always have access to your content. With YouTube Premium, 100% ad-free videos, background play, and YouTube Music Premium included. Say goodbye to interruptions and enjoy seamless entertainment. YouTube Premium removes ads across over 1 billion videos, and with background play, you can listen to content even when your screen is off. YouTube Music Premium is also part of the package. Everything works exactly the same as the official version, ensuring you don't compromise on quality or features. You get the full premium experience without the premium price tag. So is GamesGo worth it? Absolutely, if you want premium content without paying premium prices. The savings are huge, and the process is incredibly easy. Ready to save money every month? Use my referral link and apply promo code ZASK. Join thousands of smart streamers who already enjoy cheap Netflix and YouTube Premium. Start saving today